This is Michael McDermott. I wanted to share a really cool insight that I got today while sitting alongside a flowing stream with a neat little waterfall. There's nothing like the sound of a waterfall or the sight of water trickling over rocks on a bright sunny day. I spent some time there, and as I began to pull away, I realized that I could not hear the waterfall as clearly as I could when I was alongside of it, and I definitely couldn't see the water flowing over those rocks like I could when I was right alongside the stream. That's how God's will, plan, and purpose is. It continues to flow, it continues to accomplish, it continues to move forward in spite of any and all opposition. The trick is we need to learn to align ourselves with His will, plan, and purpose. He's still moving, He still has plans, He's still doing a work in your life. Just trust Him. This is Michael McDermott with MichaelMcDermottRadio.org.